don't know how good this one's going to focus. It looks like it's doing pretty good. As you can see, I put my end on. And notice I left a little bit extra. This is the hard part anyway, for Craftsman anyway. Can you see the copper in that little hole? Right there in the little holes. That's the hard part. You got to screw that bugger down so it makes a nice snug fit, and then you can see copper in each one of these holes right here. So, and I usually start from this end. You can trim the coax first or the extra first or later. It really doesn't matter. I'll probably cut it because it's a little bit long. Excuse me. But hopefully by the time when you get that heated, this part will be heated as well, because the heat's going to travel. It travels down that way. So, you know, heat is your best friend, and that's a hard subject for soldering, because you'll just know. That's the only thing I can say. Just you got to do it, and you'll know when that heating point is. So I'll come back with you when I have an example there. Well, and as you can see, even the Craftsman's not perfect. Look at that. See, I was talking about doing it here, and camera, I just don't get you sometimes. But you can see, even the old Craftsman messed up, so I will have to fix it. But anyway, here you guys go. Another messed up Craftsman end. And I got down. Anyway, you got the principle. Practice makes perfect. Even the Craftsman ain't that good, so there you go. See ya. 73's Great Lakes. Got down.